Hi everyone, Lolo here. Welcome to our cozy corner of the internet where we believe that a touch of green can make any space feel like home. Are you dreaming of a beautiful balcony garden but worried about the cost? Look no further. Also, if you've been longing to sip your morning coffee surrounded by lush plants but you are worried about the cost, worry no more. We are here to guide you through transforming your balcony into a serene garden paradise while keeping your wallet happy. Our latest video, budget-friendly balcony garden makeover ideas, is here to show you how to turn your balcony into a blooming retreat without breaking the bank. In this video, you will discover how to create a stunning garden with items you already have lying around, how to make the most of your outdoor space without maxing out your credit card, and how to make your plants thrive with little to no extra cost. So, grab a cup of your favorite drink, hit play, and let's get growing. And hey, if you enjoy our content, consider hitting that subscribe button and ringing the bell to stay updated on all things balcony beautification. Let's make every balcony a destination. Transforming a balcony on a budget is an exciting and achievable endeavor that can significantly enhance the utility and aesthetic appeal of small outdoor spaces, particularly in urban environments. With limited space often being a challenge in city living, a well-planned balcony garden can serve as a private oasis, providing a much-needed retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Maximizing the potential of your balcony not only contributes to relaxation, but also fosters improved mental health. The presence of greenery has been widely recognized for its calming effects, reducing stress levels, and enhancing overall well-being. Moreover, a thoughtfully designed balcony garden can add considerable aesthetic value to your home, creating a visually pleasing environment that can be enjoyed year-round. Balcony gardens are versatile and can be tailored to suit different tastes and preferences. Whether you are interested in growing herbs, flowers, or even small vegetables, there are countless ways to utilize your space creatively and economically. Simple solutions such as vertical gardening, using recycled materials, and selecting low-maintenance plants can make the transformation both cost-effective and manageable. For those looking to get started, Our latest video provides a comprehensive guide filled with practical tips and inspiring ideas. Watching the video will give you a visual representation of how you can create your own budget-friendly balcony garden using readily available materials and tools, from selecting the right plants to arranging them in a way that maximizes space and light. The video covers all aspects of balcony gardening, ensuring you are well equipped to embark on your garden journey. We encourage you to watch the video and explore the top 50 inspiration showcase, which are sure to spark creativity and help you design a beautiful budget-friendly balcony garden that reflects your personal style and meets your needs. Embarking on a budget-friendly balcony garden makeover requires meticulous planning to ensure a fruitful and cost-effective transformation. The first step involves assessing the available space on your balcony. Take precise measurements to understand the dimension of you are working with, which will help in planning the layout and selecting suitable plants and furniture. Understanding the sunlight patterns on your balcony is crucial. Observe the amount of sunlight your balcony receives through the day. This information will guide you in choosing the right plants that thrive in these specific conditions. For instance, if your balcony gets ample sunlight, opt for a sun-loving plants such as tomatoes, peppers, or succulents. Conversely, for shaded balconies, consider shade-tolerant plants like ferns, begonias, and hostas. Setting a budget and adhering to it is imperative for a budget-friendly makeover. Outline your financial limits and prioritize essential items first. Allocate funds for plants, containers, soil, and any necessary tools while considering potential cost for decor items. A well-defined budget prevents overspending and ensures you make the most of every dollar. Sourcing affordable materials and plants can significantly reduce costs. Visit local nurseries and plant sales, where you can often find high-quality plants at discounted prices. Additionally, consider using recycled containers such as wall buckets, tins, or wooden boxes, which can serve as unique and eco-friendly plant holders. DIY garden decor such as homemade plant markers or hand-painted pots adds a personal touch while keeping expenses low. By carefully planning and making strategic choices, you can create a stunning and sustainable balcony garden without compromising on budget. Whether you are an experienced gardener or a novice, these tips will help you transform your balcony into a thriving green oasis. Transforming a balcony into a lush garden doesn't have to break the bank. The video showcases a plethora of innovative and budget-friendly ideas that can turn even the smallest spaces into garden heavens. These ideas are categorized into vertical gardening, container gardening, and space-saving solutions, each offering unique ways to maximize space and add charm to your balcony. Vertical gardening is an excellent strategy for small balconies. The video features a variety of vertical solutions, including hanging planters and wall-mounted plant wraps. By growing plants upwards rather than outwards, you can save floor space and create a green wall that serves as both a garden and decorative element. For instance, using a wooden pallet as a frame for potted plants is both economical and visually appealing. Container gardening is another effective approach highlighted in the video. Containers come in various shapes and sizes, allowing you to grow a wide range of plants. Repurposing old furniture, such as turning an unused dresser into a tiered planter, not only saves money but also adds a personalized touch. The video also demonstrates how to create a compact herb garden using small pots, perfect for those who love fresh herbs but have limited space. Space-saving solutions are crucial for maximizing your balcony's potential. Incorporating multifunctional furniture can help you make the most of your area. The video shows examples like benches with built-in planters and foldable tables that double as plant stands. This smart design ensures that every inch of your balcony is utilized efficiently without compromising on style or comfort. These creative and cost-effective ideas not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your balcony, but also provide practical benefits. By integrating vertical gardening, container gardening, and space-saving solutions, you can create a lush green oasis right outside your door, all while staying within budget. So, maintaining a budget-friendly balcony garden doesn't have to be a daunting task. With a few practical and economical strategies, you can ensure your garden remains vibrant and healthy throughout the year without overspending. And that's a wrap on our budget-friendly balcony garden makeover ideas. We hope you are buzzing with inspiration and ready to embark on your own balcony transformation journey. Remember, it doesn't take a fortune to create a tranquil garden space that you can be proud of. With a little creativity, some DIY spirit, and our handy tips, you'll be well on your way to enjoying your very own slice of nature. Before you go, don't forget to like this video if you find our idea helpful. It really supports our channel. Comment below with your favorite tip from the video or share your own savvy gardening hacks. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to join our community of home and garden enthusiasts. You won't want to miss what we have coming up next. Thank you for watching and happy gardening. May your balconies bloom and your spirit soar.